Okay, dear student, are you ready? Yes. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about some qualities of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Right? Yes. Okay. There are 3 qualities. Okay. Which qualities do you like?
I like the quality courageous.
Courageous. Okay. Why?
I want to be a courageous person because Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was a courageous person.
Okay, that is why you want to be a courageous person. That's fine. Okay, what will you do to acquire these qualities? What will you do? তুমি কি করবে এই সাহসিকতাটা তোমার অর্জন করার জন্য তুমি কি করবে? What will you do?
I will support the people of Bangladesh.
You will support the people of Bangladesh. Yes.
I will speak
Okay.
against the injustice.
Against the injustice. Very good. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, next will come here. Okay, thank you. Okay, which quality do you want to achieve? Or acquire? You want to achieve the quality of courageous. Why do you like this quality?
I like qualities courageous.
You like, now why do you like this courageous quality? The quality is courageous. কেন তুমি এই কোয়ালিটিটা পছন্দ করো?
I want to be a courageous because Bangabandhu was a courageous person.
Okay, fine. What will you do to acquire these qualities?
I want to be.
What will you do? তুমি কি করবে? তুমি যে সাহসী হবে, এই কোয়ালিটিটা যে অ্যাচিভ করবে, তার জন্য তোমাকে কি করতে হবে?
I will support the
You will support
Bangladesh.
the people of Bangladesh. That's fine. And you will speak against the injustice. তাই না? সব সময় অন্যায়ের বিরুদ্ধে কি করতে হবে? কথা বলতে হবে. Okay, thank you. Okay, that's fine. Next, will come here. Yes. তাড়াতাড়ি চলে আসো. চলে আসো বাবা. Okay, which quality do you like here? I think you like all these qualities, but especially you want to like some on qualities. Okay, which qualities?
I like 2 qualities
Courageous. Okay, why do you like these qualities? কেন তোমার এই কোয়ালিটিটা ভালো লাগে?
I want to be a courageous person because Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur was a courageous person.
বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমান courageous leader. Okay, that's fine. What will you do to acquire these qualities?
I will
Yes,
support the people of Bangladesh.
you will support the people of Bangladesh. Very good. Anything more?
I will
Speak
against the
injustice. That's fine. Okay, thank you. Next who will come? Okay, which qualities do you want to achieve? Courageous. My God. Okay, why do you like these qualities of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman?
because Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur is a courageous person.
What courageous? Great leader. Okay. What will you do to acquire these qualities? হোয়াট উইল ইউ ডু, তুমি কি করবে? এই যে কোয়ালিটিটা তোমাকে অ্যাচিভ করতে, অ্যাকুয়ার করতে, অর্জন করতে তোমাকে কি করতে হবে? You will support the people of Bangladesh and you will speak against injustice. Okay, thank you. Okay, next one will come here. Anybody?